What's going on, world? It's your man PatSeaser, Seasall LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. And today, I'm working on a 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe, Vercruz. Kind of like a Santa Fe, but it's a different, yeah, whatever. Bendito. Check this out, it's right here. Now, I showed y'all in the last video, just talking about different things going on with the business world and blah, blah, blah. And being a mechanic in 2021, or starting a shop, or being a mobile guy. And I'll probably link that in the description somewhere, either here, or here, or here, or here, or somewhere in here, or it'll be below. But today, we're gonna try to come through a part 2. How the hell do you unlock a seized engine? You know, I gotta pull this motor and I can't turn the crank to get to the flex plate bolts. We're gonna get into it right after the intro. All right, so this is gonna have to be a continuous thing. So right now I got the intake off. And I guess I'll just show you guys real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all my plan of attack. All right, here we are. See that bolt right there? It will not turn. I'm running into this a lot now. God damn. Okay, yeah. All right. I don't want to break my my extension, so I ran to Wally World, and this is my plan of attack. We're gonna use some WD-40 and some PB Blaster, and we're gonna see if we can get this thing, after letting it sit for a day or so, to unlock, because I can't pull the engine out without turning the flywheel so I can get all the bolts off. It's a fun one, and I knew it blew up too. It actually blew up like on me. It's not my car, but it blew up during a test. So I guess let me load this here and show you guys what the gameplay is. So as stated before, I've already taken all the plugs out. So we're gonna start off with our WD-40, and I bought the flexible one just so I could actually turn it. Really? Whatever. Flex don't work, y'all. Yeah, I'm throwing it in there. I'm just gonna. Now I've already drained the oil, and I bought a couple cans of this. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. You know, for the hell of it, let's put some in the intake too. I don't know if this is gonna help, but all right, so PB Blaster. I have 42 seconds left to record on this battery. I'm sorry, on this SD card. So just letting you guys know, I'm gonna come back to this. I'm just showing you guys what we're doing, and we're gonna let this sit. And if it works, it works. If not, that's gonna suck. But I'll let you guys know here pretty soon. Peace.